Hello my beauties and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lilian Tahmasian for those of you that blah 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 blah. My name is Lilian Tahmasian for those of you that are new. I'm going to say a big hello and welcome to my beautiful new subscribers. I am so glad you all seem to really like my last collaboration video with Jessie, my beautiful friend. She was the sweetest person and we had so much fun filming that mukbang drive-through in and out yum 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 video. A lot of you may have known I lost my old channel as I was so close to reaching 100,000 subscribers due to management issues, but now I had to start again, and you know what, it's okay, everything has happened for a reason. I'm very happy, I'm very grateful for you all. But yeah, so today I decided to do something I've never done before. My friend Jessie mentioned, Lilian, you should film a Boxycharm unboxing video and try on makeup tutorial. I'm using brand new makeup all from the Boxycharm in the latest issue, the June one, to create this look. So let me know what you guys think and stay tuned for the tutorial. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and also comment below any thoughts that you have on this video, any future content ideas, and also please don't forget to click that notification bell button. That would mean the world to me. That way you can actually get notified when I upload a video, you know what I'm saying, opposed to just subscribing and just seeing it once a year. I forgot to mention I do have a code with Boxycharm, and if you want you can click my affiliated Boxycharm link below. It obviously does help me, but no pressure. If not, you can just type it in yourself to get a Boxycharm. It would help me a lot and mean the world to me. But I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed the video, keep on smiling. So we are going to go ahead and jump straight into the tutorial. I have no idea what's actually in this box. So this is the box that it comes in. Now I've been working with Boxycharm a little over the past 2 years, I want to say, but I've never done a video like this because I just thought that, I don't know, my channel was always more focused on fashion and things like that. But I thought, you know what, new year, new Lilian, why not? We have a set of Luxe brushes. I've actually used these brushes. They're actually really good quality brushes. Get 3 of them. I feel like that's a pretty good deal for it to be in a Boxycharm. Oh my gosh, no way. I actually didn't know this was in it. You guys get a Sol de Janeiro. This is the Bum Bum Cream, I believe. Yes, it is. It's a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I have 3 large versions of this. Let me show you guys. I have literally the large version, and I go through this like I go through water, like I drink water pretty much. This is how obsessed I am with it. This is my 2nd bottle or tub, you guys. Absolutely amazed. So we have lashes from Battington Lashes. Ooh. Obviously, if you know me, you would know this is one of my favorite colors. Ofra has this long-lasting liquid lipstick. This is the color Verona, and I believe this is a very new shade. So there you go, you get a brand new shade in your packet. We have a Jaunty Blue dark brown eyeliner pencil. It looks like this, which I'm going to be using the makeup in the tutorial. Ooh, we have a Elmar Cosmetic okay. I didn't know what I was working with, but I do now. These look stunning. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's like perfect for summer and spring, as cliche as that sounds. And the packaging is quite nice as well. So that's what you're getting this month, Boxycharm. Thank you, Boxycharm. So there we go. I went ahead and I popped on my foundation and I contoured just a tiny bit. I don't know if you can tell, I had my eyebrows microbladed on Monday, so I can't really do them. I can't touch them. I can't do anything to them. I can't even work out, nothing, for the next 10 days. So it's a bit of a struggle. We're on the struggle bus currently. So excuse them if they look a tiny bit dark. Sorry, that's not my fault. Now that my foundation's popped on and my contouring, I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into the palette. I've never used this before. This is called the Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. I don't even think it had the Caribe. I think it's like Caribe probably. We're going to go, okay. I'm going to jump straight into using Cocoa Taxi. What a beautiful shade. True pumpkin shade. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Ooh, that's pigmented. These are very easily blendable. I feel like I haven't done a talking makeup tutorial in ages. For the longest time I never did unboxings and things like that, because I feel like when I do PR unboxings, I feel like I don't want it to come across as showing off. Obviously I'm very grateful, so I just never did those. And then with makeup, I'm just like, I think you guys prefer the Instagram shorter makeup tutorials. Let me know if you do. I don't know, but please do comment below your thoughts. I'm going to be getting a smaller brush and just grabbing this beautiful brown shade called Cafecito. Oh, this is like a Spanish, so I did say it right. Caribe probably. Okay, I'm just gonna stay closer to the line and just slightly shade the outer corner, and then we're gonna blend everything out and then slightly bring it in. Okay, there we go. We have this beautiful gradual shade going on. I'm such a sucker for like a beautiful brown smoky eye. Gets me all the time. So who here ever watched Rebelde? It's a beautiful Mexican telenovela which I fell in love with. Chinese, I didn't understand a word, but I fell in love with it. So you guys, that is still my current obsession. I feel like I've been talking about that show for the past 3 months. It's a bit embarrassing, but I love it with my entire heart. I'm finishing that show on Netflix soon, so let me know what other shows I should get into. So I'm gonna get this beautiful Tropico dark red orangey shade. I'm just gonna concentrate in the middle area of my eye. I don't know what look I'm going for. I'm just doing it as I go. Let me do this first. Okay, so I feel like right here I can stop this and go ahead and put La Costa in the inner corner and call it a day for like a natural look. But you know what, you guys, it's all about stepping out of your comfort zone and seeking discomfort, right? So we are going to, I don't know, maybe go ahead and put Celia in, I don't know, do you think the middle, the outer corner? I don't know. Let's think about it. I'm going to go ahead and put Varadero in the outer corner. I'm going to bring it in. I'm going to add Celia to the middle. Don't know what we're doing, but let's just go for it. Ooh, these are pigmented. I wouldn't never wear this before. I just feel like it's all about stepping out of your zone, right? Oh, my heart. It's so like easily blendable. That's so crazy. Okay, so now that we are here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the beautiful Celia and I'm just going to pat this in the middle. I feel like this will be, ooh, very pigmented. Oh my lord, like I feel like it's like the beautiful ocean color. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Look at that. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy. We're going to clean all of this up. I'm going to go ahead and add the beautiful La Costa to the inner corner and just blend everything out. Ooh, so this is the final eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? I just added a tiny bit of color to the bottom area of my eyes as well. So what I'm going to be doing is adding this beautiful Jaunty Blue dark brown in 903, the waterline of my eyes. Now I would go ahead and wear these beautiful lashes, but because my eyelashes are lifted, I don't think it'll be a good idea for me to wear these just yet because it is quite fresh. So I'm just going to skip this step and go ahead and apply my mascara, and then we'll get to the highlighting and the lippy. The good thing about a lash lift is that you don't have to apply too much mascara because your lash is already lifted. How crazy what like a little color and mascara can do. Like if you saw me 2 hours ago, you would be like, Lilian, who even are you? I wouldn't even look like the same person because I was half asleep, dead tired, my eyes were like this. I slept at 4, you guys, exhausted, absolutely freaking exhausted. Now that the lashes are done, I'm going to go ahead and pop this open so I can use this for my highlight. The palette, we didn't have a highlighting palette or anything like that. But I do believe a few months ago this came in the Boxycharm. It's called This Vintage by Jessica Libskine. I am 90% sure I got this in my Boxycharm a few months ago. Does anyone remember? Let me know. I'm going to be using the Luxie 522 Tap It Highlighter brush. And I'm going to dip it in this beautiful pink shade and just lightly, ooh, okay. Tiny bit on the nose, Cupid's bow. Love, love, love highlighting the, is it called a déclarage? And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and pop this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Verona. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like my mom's makeup when I was 5. Apparently my background has turned into a sanctuary with all these birds. I'm so sorry, but I'm not complaining. Go ahead. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I definitely do like this look. Like, it's not my go-to, but I feel like it should be my go-to, if you know what I mean. Thank you so much to all my beautiful new subbies. Yay! Welcome to my channel. I love you guys so much. I'm going to be uploading 2 to 3 videos a week from now on, so please do stay tuned. I'm just joking. I'm so grateful for everything that I have, and I'm so grateful for all my new subbies, so welcome aboard. And yeah, I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you liked it, and please do comment below any thoughts that you have, any ideas, content ideas, anything you want, so I can get into them. And also please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lilian Tahmasian. I also have a website, liliantahmasian.com, where I do so many giveaways. I share my insights, bits and pieces on fashion, beauty, health. As always, please don't forget to keep on smiling and enjoy every second of your life. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Daddy, I'm hungry. I'm starving for some chicken.